Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video with your girl Nat. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I came up with these delicious sweet potato cupcakes. So please, on your way in, hit that like, also hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on another one of my videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to use is 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, now we're going to be adding 1 cup of pureed sweet potatoes, now we're going to turn our mixer on low and give everything a good mix. Now we're going to be adding 3 large eggs, one at a time. Now once everything is well and combined, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1½ tablespoons of nutmeg, now we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to turn our blender onto low and give everything a good mix until everything is well incorporated, and you will know it will be a nice creamy batter consistency. Now I have my 12 cupcakes that I'm going to be filling up with my ice cream scooper, which is like my favorite thing to measure out my cupcake ingredients because it just gives you just enough. So I'm going to just get 1 scoop in each cup, and then I'll be right back to y'all because I got plenty of videos of me doing this. Now we're going to place these in the oven for about 25 minutes, and I'll be right back to y'all. So now we're making our topping, which is going to be our miniature sweet potato pies. So as you can see, I had 1 cup of sweet potatoes and 1/4 cups of brown sugar. I'm going to be using 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to also be adding about 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Now with our hand mixer, we're going to just go ahead and give everything a good blend. Now we're looking for a nice creamy consistency, so you want to make sure you blend this very well. Now over here I just have some regular store-bought miniature pie crust that you could buy at any store. I opted not to bake my own. I decided to just use the store-bought so I could show you guys how easy it is to make on your own. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give your girl a thumbs up and also subscribe. Now we're going to place these in the oven for about a half an hour, and then I'll be right back to y'all. Now we're getting ready to make our cream cheese frosting, which I'm using about 1 stick of softened butter. And I'm going to go ahead and whisk this until it gets softer and adding air to it. Now I added 8 ounces of cream cheese. And then I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we're just going to give this a good blend to break up this cream cheese and just to combine both butter and cream cheese together. Now we're going to be adding 2 cups of powdered sugar, adding 1 cup at a time. Now we're just going to give it a nice blend. You will know you're done when your icing go from this to this. Once your cupcakes are nice and cooled down, we're going to go ahead and top our cupcakes with our cream cheese frosting. And y'all, I'm trying to get better at this icing technique. I will get better. Y'all hang in there with me. Now we're just going to top off our cupcakes with our miniature sweet potato pies. And just like that, there go our sweet potato cupcakes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I really do appreciate you guys stopping by. And please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I noticed that the algorithm is showing me that I'm having more viewers than subscribers. So if you like my content, why don't you subscribe? It's free and it don't cost you anything. So until next time, you guys, peace.